Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage BE365 not engaging, locking or working, stuck bolt, handle and alignment fix. Fixing a Schlage BE365 that won't lock or engage usually involves changing the 4 AA batteries, resetting the lock's electronics, checking for hardware binding, or correctly seating the interior tailpiece. Fix 1. Power and reset. First, check the batteries. Dead or failing batteries are the number one cause for non-responsive keypads or sluggish motors. So replace them with four fresh named brand alkaline AA batteries. Ensure the connection cables on the back of the keypad are firmly plugged in. Next, perform a factory reset. A hard reset clears firmware glitches. So remove the interior cover and unplug the battery connector. Then press and hold the exterior shade button for 10 seconds. While still holding the button, plug the batteries back in, release the button when the lock flashes or beeps. Fix 2. Mechanical and alignment issues. First, door binding. If the deadbolt is hard to turn by hand with the door, open your Schlage deadbolt BE365 won't work with lock and leave feature smoothly. Next, close the door slowly and see if the bolt drops easily into the strike plate hole. If it misses or rubs, adjust the strike plate on your door frame so it aligns perfectly. Now, tailpiece alignment. If the motor whirs but the door won't lock, the tailpiece, the metal bar connecting the keypad to the interior thumb turn, might have slipped. So remove the interior assembly and base plate and check that the tailpiece is properly centered and fully seated into the deadbolt mechanism. Fix 3. Settings and keypad errors. First, unlocking without code. If the door unlocks without a user code, the interior cam might be misaligned, or the lock and leave feature settings need to be changed. So enter your 6-digit programming code followed by 7 to change the main settings. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.